Hello everyone, welcome back everyone to the NASCAR Heat 5 for the Truck Series Career Mode. So we're going on to Eldora, a dirt track race. Alright, this is how the points look. Of course, the numbers are gone again. It's me, Sturt Friesen, Grandin Finger, Brent Moffitt, Jordan Anderson, the top 5, with Todd Gillen, Matt Crafton, Johnny Sauter, Ross Chastain, Austin Hill, the top 10. Alright, we'll let you quickly look at everybody else real quick. Which probably don't even matter until all the way down to Mike Harmon, still in last place. So we're going on to Eldora, 75 laps, dirt track racing. Again, make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button. Only 2 races left until the playoffs. Let's do it. Alright, here we are. We're here in Eldora. Austin Hill had an engine change after qualifying. Riley Herbst is the pole winner. And Ben Rhodes unapproved body modification during qualifying. He'll have to start in the back. Let's go. Green flag, we're racing Eldora. We're going to take the lead here. New leader, 48. Whoa. 17 laps to go. Left in stage 1. Oh my goodness. Like I say, I'm not in the dirt that much. Like Tom McGinty. Yeah, Tom McGinty's in the lead. Hopefully I can get the lead and pull away. Alright, here he goes dumb. I'm going to try again. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can see the driver turn the wheel. That's the first time I ever noticed that in the game. 15 laps to go. The only thing I know is that I can do it, but I didn't expect for them to do it as well. Anyway, we're in the lead, and now we're already starting to catch lap traffic. Wow. Not what we want to see. We already are catching lap traffic. Look like me and Austin Hill still have beef. You hit me. And of course I didn't get it recorded, but he came and hit me, got me loose. Oh man, get away from them before they start wrecking somebody. I want to try to lap as many of these cars as I can. Man, let me know down in the comment section, did you enjoy the Cup race when they had on Bristol? I think they should have had it at Eldora in the first place. 11 more to go. We're getting ready to catch the 24th placer, all word. We got a fast car. We just got to make sure we keep moving. Oh man, Mike Harmon's now at the 22nd place with 10 laps to go. Clay Greenfield, Johnny Sauter, Jennifer Joe Cobb, Ross Chastain, it looks like. Yep. Lap them all. Oh man, this car. This truck. This truck sucks. 9 more. Joe Nemechek, Brett Moffitt, Austin Wayne South. Looks like Grandin Finger's up here. And Matt Crafton. Eight more. Oh man, we're getting ready to lap Austin Hill again. Eat dirt. Now there's only 10 cars on the lead lap. 10 trucks on the lead lap. Oh man, this truck's good. 5 laps to go. That's all we got. Now there's only 9 trucks. 8 trucks, I mean, on the lead lap. I want to try to lap as many of these trucks as I can. There's Sheldon Creed. Now there's only 7 trucks on the lead lap. Well, again, guys, we want to try to lap as many of these trucks as we can. Well, we got 3 laps to go right now. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful, Jeff Gordon. But it's sometimes kind of hard when... Now my truck is pretty good, so... No use to come down pit road. Somewhat of a pit road. No, I mean, there's Todd Gillen. We want to try to lap him. We want to try to lap as many of these trucks as we can here. Somebody's in 6th place. Wow, Tanner Gray's in 6th place, and there's the rest of the pack up ahead. White flag. Want to try to lap as many of them as we can. Put some of these trucks 2 laps down. Oh man, are we going to have enough to catch Stuart Friesen? Oh man, we will. Wow. Angela Rush is in 3rd place. Well, we got 56 laps to go, and Angela Rush is in 3rd place. Oh my goodness, and we got 55 laps to go now. I'm staying out on the racetrack. Not much to say. Stuart Friesen gets the free pass. Me, John McNesky, and Angela Rush is in 3rd place. Now we want to get away from everybody else and try to lap as many more. 21 laps in stage 2. We want to try to pull away and get it in a big, huge gap. That's cool. Angela Rush is in 3rd. Yeah, she's got to win a race just to get into the playoffs. I think I remember helping her once, I think. So, maybe this might be the night that she might have a shot. If we could just get up to Stuart Friesen and put him a lap down again. We just got to pull away here. We're at about 20 more. 19 more, I mean. So we got 19 laps in this stage. I'm going to try to keep on. I'm going to try to keep going here, and hopefully that we can hopefully get some more. We'll see in lap traffic. Now we're back in lap traffic, and Angela Rush is now in 2nd place. I already lapped Austin Hill again. That's like the 3rd time tonight so far. We got 15 more left in this stage. We're lapping more of these trucks. I want to lap as many of these trucks. Oh, now Tom McNesky got around her. So I want to get up there and lap as many of these trucks as I can. If I could get Angela Rush in 2nd place. But I want to lap as many of these trucks as I can. I guess Austin Hill sucks on dirt. Oh, my goodness, this truck. 13 more. Still there. There's Stuart Friesen. You're not going to get away too longer. Alright, let's get around Stuart Friesen right now. With just 12 more left in this stage. Oh man, yeah, like these trucks are going to go 2 laps down or more. There's Austin Hill. We're getting ready to lap him again. What is up with this? more.
All right, you're clear.
9 more. There's our pulse setter. Getting ready to go 2 laps down. Wow.
All right, you're clear. That one is top. Clear high, buddy. Inside. Clear low. All right, clear outside. All clear.
There's Andrew Rush and timed them. Right there they are.
Still there. All right, you're clear.
7 more.
Careful, still there. All clear.
I don't know, pushes her and gives her any shot. I want to try to help her as much as I can without wrecking her. 5 more? Oh my goodness. I don't want to lap her, so. No, Roo. Come on, Angela. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, hold on. I was trying to help Angela right there, but that didn't work. Anyway, we'll take stage 2 as well. We'll take it. 31 laps remain. Nobody's on the lead lap, and I am staying out. So Angela Rush is 1 lap down. So, oh, she better hang on. There she is. And I got damage on the truck. 28 more. The problem is, I got scared freezing in them, so Angela, you gotta defend for yourself. Man, I should have came down pit road here and fixed this damage. I feel like right now I think I might, because we're gonna probably need the short track truck again, so. Anyway, I'll see you all when we catch traffic. Well, here we are again. We're back with this traffic again. Alright, now I gotta catch that second placer. 2 laps to go.
All right, you're clear. All right, clear outside.
Here we are.
All right, you're clear.
With 21 laps to go left in this race.
All right, you're clear. You're all clear up top. Inside.
I got Brent Bonfin and Joe Nemchuk don't even know how to get out of the way.
All right, you're
Thank
clear.
you. 20 more.
Still there. Clear high. Clear high. All outside. Hold your line. You're all clear up top.
19 more.
All clear. Clear high. Clear high. You're all clear up top.
Traffic, 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 more traffic.
You got room. You're clear.
Don't even take you that long to catch it. It's almost like Bristol. You don't take that long to catch them. 17 more.
Careful. Still there. All clear.
Whoa,
Inside. All clear.
Andrew Rush is now in 4th place. She lost the spot. Austin Hill, how many times are we lapping you?
Clear high.
I don't think Austin Hill likes dirt tracks. Come on, Angela, get her around Sturt Friesen. I want to try to get to Sturt Friesen, put him 2 laps down before.
Still there.
I think she screwed up there.
All right, you're clear.
15 more.
All clear.
Whoa,
Stay low.
whoa.
Careful. Still there. All clear. Careful. Still there. Clear high. Clear high.
Good run for her.
Careful. Still there.
Oh, man. This truck. Anyway, I gotta go lap John
Still
McGusty.
there. All right. Clear outside. Stay low. Stay low.
Oh, whoa.
On there on the outside. 3 wide.
I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this.
All clear.
Well, we're getting down to it. Whoa! You're on.
All right, you're clear.
Oh, man. 11 more.
Careful, still there. All right.
Well, there's the 5th place. We're getting ready to put him 3 laps down. You're
All
on.
right, you're clear. Need to go. Focus.
10 more laps to go.
All clear.
No roof. We got 6 laps to go left in this race, and there's the 2nd placer.
Stay low. All right, you're clear. All right, you're clear.
You're on. All right, we're getting ready to come down to 5 laps to go.
Might be good.
We'll ride around with this camera. Three more. Two laps to go. Andrew Rush is in the middle. Oh no, we don't want to caution. Nope, 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 nope. Alright, final lap in the race. We'll tell you, Dirt win.
What a win.
We blew up. Booyah. Alright, here's the finishing results. Oh my goodness, this just gets interesting. We won the race with Tom McGinnis in second, 2 laps down. Stuart Friesen in third, 3 laps down. Andrew Rush in fourth, 3 laps down. And Riley Herbst in 5th place, 3 laps down. With Tanner Grace 6th. Jake Fogelman in 7th. Christian Eckins in 8th. Ben Rhodes in 9th. And Sheldon Creek, the top 10, all 4 laps down. From 6th to 10th is 4 laps down. John Hunter is 4 laps down. Grant Enfinger, Austin Wing South, Matt Crafton, and Todd Gillen, all 4 laps down in 15th. And 16th are all 6 laps down. Through 18, which is Joe Nemechek and Ross Chastain. Brett Moffitt finished 7 laps down. Jennifer Jo Cobb finished 7 laps down. And Zane Smith, 7 laps down. 8 laps down is a bunch with Tyler Ancome, Mike Harmon, Gus Dean, Spencer Boyd, Jordan Anderson, 6 laps down. And then we look at everyone else. Jason White and Austin Hill, 9 laps down. With Natalie Decker, Russell Lussard, Ryfield Lassard, with Josh Ram and 10 laps down, and the last one was Johnny Sauter, 14 laps down. We'll take it. We win in Eldora. We'll take that. Yeah, where's our golden shovel we're supposed to get when we win? Well, that sucks. Alright, so we'll be going off. So guys, so it'll be the playoffs. But for some reason, guys, they will not let me run Michigan. See, we just finished this one. I was getting ready to do for the intro for the Michigan race. Guess what? It will not let me do it. I don't know why, but it just will not let me do it. So there's the finishing results. And my name's not even on this list. I went through it multiple times, and my name's not even on this list. Or unless they said, you know what, he don't need to run Michigan. That stinks. So anyway, we're going off to WWT Raceway for starting of the playoffs for the round of 10. So there's how the points look right now. We got a plus 74 points lead. And the cutoff is all the way down to 8th place. So 2 drivers will get emulated after Bristol. So we'll be going off to WWT Raceway next time we do it. So guys, we'll be starting the playoffs. So again, I really appreciate you all. Thank you all. I guess if we don't see you at Michigan, I guess we'll see you at WWT Raceway. We'll see you there.